Good morning everyone. Today in your English class we are going to start a poem. Its name is Be a Friend. Poet name is Edgar Albert Guest. So what is poem name? Poet name is Edgar Albert Guest and poem name is Be a Friend. So students, today in this poem we will discuss about the way of to become a good friends. So let's start. Imagine that you and your friend have had an argument. Just imagine in between of you and your friend had an angry discussion. Argument means an angry discussion. Your friend is very upset. So during that time your friend is very upset, means very sad. So later in the days you realize that it was actually your fault. Later in the days, after some days, you realize that it was actually means really your fault. Fault means your mistakes. You realize that it was really your mistakes. What will you do? So during that situation, what will you do? So what will you do, students? You will say sorry to your friends. You will admit your mistakes also, and you will do some deeds for your friends also. So our today's poem is Be a Friends. So in this poem today we will discuss about some ways to become a good friends. So let's start today's reading. This poem is about where the poet talk about ways to become a good friends. In this poem we are getting 3 stanza. This is your stanza number first. So let's start. Be a friend, you don't need money. To become a friend, you don't need any money. To become someone friend, you don't need for any money. Just a disposition sunny. For that you only having a good natures, which always look like sun. How the sun always give its brightness to others, same as a good friend always give his helping hands to the others. Just a wish to help another. For that to be a friend, you always having a wish to help another. Get along some way or others. You always supports and give the help and helping hand those always have those who want for your help. Just a kindly hand extended. For that you always having a kindly hand for a long time. Extended means for a long time to do something for larger. Out to ones who unfriended. Out of them, unfriended means who having no any friends. Out of them, if someone having no any friend, so just the will to give or lend. For that you always having a willing to give your things you and lend, means you are always having a willing to sharing your things. And lend means to allow to someone to use your things. Give means you always share your things for someone. This will make you someone friend. All these good habits will make you someone good friends. Now stanza number second. Be a friend, you don't need glory. To be a someone friends, for that you not need for fame or honor. Glory means here fame or honor. Friendship is a simple story. Friendship itself a very simple story. Pass by trifling error blindly. Pass if your friends will do. Trifling means unimportant. Error means mistakes. If your friend will do some unimportant mistakes without any thinking, so you have to forgive him. Gaze on honest effort kindly. For you always long time. Gaze means to look steadily for a long time. For a long time you always do your efforts honestly and kindly for your friends. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Cheer the youth. You also cheer up. You also give your friends best wishes if your friends will do some bravely act. Pity him. You will also pity him here means feeling of sadness. If your friends will feel sad, so you will also took pity on him who sadly sighing. If your friend will disappointing and taking deep breath, sighing means here take deep breath. If your friends will sadly, so you will also feel sadly with him. Just a little labor span for just do by that work, just done by that work by you. For that work, labor means here work done by you on the duties of a friend. These all are the duties of a friends. To complete that duties, you will become a good friends. Now it's stanza number 3. Be a friend, the pay is bigger. Be a friend. To become a friend, if you are having a friend, the pay is bigger. For that you have to pay. Which one is very bigger? Thou not written by a figure. The pay is not written. The amount is not written by a figure. Than is earned by people clever. Than is earned. That you can earn by hard work. Earn means the money which you are getting by hard work. By people clever. Money only earned by clever people. But the friendship only earned by good person. In what merely self endeavor. In what? In this way, merely means only. Self endeavor. Endeavor means to try hard work. Only for that, by giving your hard works, to try your hard works, you will have friends. So you will get only friends instead of neighbors. In the place, instead means here, in the place of neighbors, for your hard works, you will get good friends. For the profits of your labors, for the profit, and profit means benefit. And what benefit you will get for your work? You will get friends. You will be richer in the end, and for that you will become richer in the end. It means the poet here want to say that if you will do some works, you will help, you will be kind, and you will helpful to others. These all good habits will make you someone friend. And if you are having friend, it means you will richer person in the world than a prince. So for that you have to think yourself just like a prince. If you are a friend, if you are someone friends, so you have to think about yourself just like a prince. So today in this poem, the poet want to say that friendship itself a very simple story. Means if someone having a friends, the person is very rich in this world. The poet name is here Edgar Albert Guest. So he was an American poet and his age was 1881 to 1959, who came to be known as the people poet, who always known as the people poet. He wrote sentimental, he always wrote some sentimental and optimist poem about everyday life. His poem always written by everyday life. So students, today you will get in your homework some hard work and you have to read this poem. Hard words are disposition, kindly, extended, unfriended, land, glory, trifling, gaze, pity, sighing, earn, money, self-endeavor, neighbors, profit. You will write in your homework those words are underlined in this poem, and you will read this poem also. So students, what you get for today's poem? You are getting that you always having a friends for someone, and you always become a good friend for someone also. For that you have to do some work for your friends and to become a good friends also. Which work you will do? You will always give the helping hands those always are needy. For paying that things you can become a good friends for others. So you always have generous kinds for everyone and forgive your friends if he will do some mistakes. And for your labors, for your these work, you will get a profit. Which profit you will get? You will become a rich person in the world if you are having a good friend. So today in your homework you will also read that poem also carefully and write all this hard work also. That hard work you will do in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting.